All right, we're here with the family at Universal's. What the hell is this place called? Surfside. Universal's Surfside Endless Summer Resort. We just checked in. We have someone turning 6 this weekend, and we also have a toddler daughter. The trick is to let your kids run around the lobby and act crazy, and they'll actually let you check in early. They even upgraded our room to a pool view. We booked, I don't know, one of the cheap rooms. It was like $122 or something. It's a Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, 2021. And they upgraded us to a pool view or something. So let's go check out the room.
What's number?
2328.
Hello. Hey guys, today we are at Universal's Endless Summer Resort. This is the Surfside Inn and Suites. We are on the 3rd floor, Tower 2, room 2328. Let's go inside. Ignore our big trolley filled with all our junk. But when you come in, you can look past all our stuff. There's a big full-length mirror with hooks, which is nice so you can hang your backpacks and everything. So then here is, it's got like a little veil to kind of hide it, but here's the closet. So in the closet, you have the ironing board, hangers, luggage racks, safe, storage. Okay. And then here is the bathroom. So the bathroom is compartmentalized, so this way you can have people getting ready and then somebody in the shower or using the toilet, and it's kind of separated. So it's a nice big size walk-in shower. And then let's step inside, sparkling clean. These are the amenities. So everything is surf and sand, which it says it's made just for this hotel. It smells like salty sea air. It's lovely. Okay. Hair dryer, more storage space, really pretty countertops. And then again, we opened it, we washed our hands right when we came in, but there's the soap that comes with it. Nice big mirror. So this is the basic 2-queen room, but it is the pool view. So here's the 2 queen beds. There's like some really cool surf art up here. Then here is like the entertainment area. There is a mini fridge, which is lovely. We're here with our 2 children, so that's great to have with the kids. Flat screen TV, seating area. The curtains are so pretty. They look like, they're like sheer clouds. Gorgeous. Or water, I guess either way. And then here is our awesome view. Again, we're on the 3rd floor, so we're not super high, but it's like a surfboard shaped pool. There's like a little splash pad area. Tons of seating. Over here is Tower 1. Then there is the pool bar. It's on a big lake. Gorgeous. There is a bus that runs to Universal every 10 minutes. So, because this isn't like directly on Universal property, it's actually on International Drive, but it's right across I-4. And yeah, you can't take a water taxi, but you can take the bus. But hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know if you've ever been here or if you've been across the street to the sister property, the Dockside. And we'll see y'all soon. Thanks.
She just showed you the room, and this is the gym. If you guys are into that thing on vacation, if you want to lift things that are too heavy. And here's the pool. pool bar. It's shaped like a surfboard. Not bad. All right, so this place is actually on location where the old Wet n Wild Orlando used to be. So at this sandbar, the pool bar here, they actually have all of their specialty drinks named after the rides from the Wet n Wild that was here. So I guess Universal purchased the property or purchased Wet n Wild or had some kind of agreement. They knocked it down and built this hotel. So across the street is actually, I think that's it over there, is called the Dockside. This is the Surfside. That's the Dockside. And apparently that's like a fishing themed or under a lake dock themed. And right next door there's we're on I Drive, so there's some putt-putt golf. It seems like there's one every couple feet. So if you're looking for something cheap to do with the family, this isn't a bad little spot. You can even go on a helicopter ride. Look at Orlando. See it the way God does. These things where you can order poolside, what you do is take your camera on your smartphone, just put it over there and a link will pop up and you're able to order food right from poolside. They even got a shuttle that takes you to the parks.